there's too much noise here. Today we are at the famous Baba temple. This is an army site, so I've worn this army uniform. I'm going to take you inside and then I will give you a little bit of history of how this temple was created. Check it out. Yeah, this temple seems exciting. Everyone's just ringing bells everywhere. So the Baba Mandir was created after Harbhajan Singh kind of served his term, and he passed away in a nala over here while escorting some people. And after that he came in one of his best friend's dreams and he said that he wants a samadhi here around 4 to 9 kilometers away from the place that he kind of had the accident at. And they created this Baba Mandir and they give spiritual water out here for the ailing people. So it's believed that if you have this spiritual water, you will get cured from whatever disease you have. You have to consume it in a period of 21 days and you're not supposed to have any kind of non-vegetarian food while you're consuming the water. And it's supposed to cure you. So I went inside and I tried to get the water, but it says it's only for the army people. This is basically an army base. I am quite next to the border between Sikkim, Nepal, China. Yeah, so this is crazy. The view is amazing. I'm going to show you all the entire view from here. And it's just really nice, the weather. It's quite breezy and pleasant and really chilly. So I'm enjoying myself, guys. There's so many tourists here. It's unbelievable. And the Baba Mandir is a story that makes you believe in life after death, I feel. So I don't know how true it is, but everyone believes a lot in it because I can see so many people come all the way from all over the country just to visit the Baba Mandir. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the insides of the Mandir. You're not allowed to do a lot of photography here, so I'm just trying to show you all as much as I can. So yeah, bear with me, that's the view. So many cars, so many tourists. You go. Okay. I'm also in the army. So it is said that at the border there is a seat which is made for Baba Harbhajan, and it's just situated on the border. Also they say that he slaps the soldiers who go to sleep while their shift is on to wake them up, and he also comes in the dreams of his fellow soldiers and cautions them about the attacks that are going to happen before they actually happen. So I don't know how much truth this story holds, but this is what I'm hearing from here, just checking in with the updates. There you go, I can see the Indian flag from here. There's also a waterfall somewhere behind me. That's an army hut behind me. Yeah, see, there's a waterfall right next to the hut. It's too far, so you can't really see it properly. So yeah, I'm going to just do... Okay, this is on selfie. I'm so bad at technicalities. Bear with me, it's my first vlog. But see how pretty it is. I look so pretty for a change. Hi guys, we are at Sikkim with Sameer Kapoor, the great, who is so busy. This is my first trip with him in ages. And there's snow here, so it's pretty cool. I feel like I'm in the Switzerland of India. Is it crazy? See, my mom's trying to come up. There. I can't see them. No, I can't get her. Yeah. I'm a bad photographer. There she is. Say hi. Say hi. Hi everybody. It's a lot of fun. I can do one thing for all is I'm trying to throw ice. So I'll throw ice on my mom. She's just acting all cool. She would have yelled at me if the vlog wasn't on. But I threw ice at her and she saw I'm recording. So she's like, ha ha ha. Okay guys, bye. I'll read it. खा लेना ठीक से फिर बात कर लियो.
फैमिली मिली आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. अंकल ने शुरू करी कोई राइम. दीदी ने अंकल चिप्स का पैकेट खोला तो भैया का दिल बोला आज मेरी स्वीट बहना मिलकर गाय अंताक्षरी का फर्स्ट गाना. बोले मेरे लिप्स आई लव अंकल चिप्स.
जस्टिफाई क्यों कर रही है? खा लेना सीधा खाना.
Exactly.
खा ही रही हूँ.
Look at the unskilled. पहले माजा कैसे पिया तूने? I'm very offended. पहले इधर थे फिर पिए. You know you deserve leftovers, right? He's getting conscious.
थोड़ा मेरे को भी माजा
We're offended.
Getting offended.
खत्म कर दिया उन्होंने.
हाँ छोड़ दो.